Hello, everyone. Replacing an AC capacitor might seem simple, but trust me, one mistake can turn a quick fix into a major headache. Let's break down the top mistakes you must avoid. Mistake number one, first up, forgetting to turn off the power. Yikes! This is more than a mistake. It's dangerous. Always flip the breaker or pull the disconnect before you even touch your AC unit. Mistake number two, next using the wrong capacitor rating. This one's sneaky. Your capacitor has specific microfarads and voltage requirements. Don't guess. Check the label or your AC manual. Mistake number three, then there's miswiring the capacitor. Mixing up the connections can fry your system or worse. Create a fire hazard. Take a photo of the wiring setup before you remove the old one. Mistake number four, and finally skipping safety gear. Those capacitors can hold a charge even after the power's off. Wear gloves, goggles, and always discharge the capacitor safely. Now you're ready to tackle that capacitor replacement like a pro. But if you're unsure, don't wing it. Call an expert. Follow for more tips to keep your AC running cool.